Welcome back to my channel. So today mag-unbox. No, hindi tayo mag-unbox. Magre-review tayo ng hair straightener. So nakita niyo na to sa haul, yung sa Lazada 99 sale haul or unboxing video. So today, gagamitin natin siya. First time natin siya gagamitin. So
Atis ginagamit.
Ayan. Gagamitin ko to sa hair niya. So makikita niyo talaga yung difference kasi kita niyo naman na super curly niya and you know. So before anything else, babasahin ko yung claims or yung parang ano na ito, description according to the seller. So this is the professional LCD display thermal beam ceramic hair straightener, intelligent lock PTZ fast heating white plate hair straightening iron. So it is user friendly. Features includes easy to control panel, temperature LCD display, 2 meter 360 degrees swivel power cord. So 2 meters yung cord nito. Switchable to degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit, and intelligent locking key. Has 12-tier adjustable temperature from 120 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, or it's 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also designed for satisfying your needs and fitting for various hair types. While the heating plate covers more hair in one pass, fitting straight hair more effectively. As you can see naman, hindi siya yung parang yung usual na hair straightener na kasing wide lang nito, parang straight. So much wider siya. PTZ heating element and tourmaline ceramic plate ensures fast heating for getting more silky and smooth hair and eliminate frizz at the same time. It is 934 pesos. Lalagay ko yung link netong product na to in the description box down below in case you are interested. So ayun na nga, yung first thing na na-notice ko is yung cord niya, which is umiikot-ikot, 360 degrees siya, para in any position nyo or twist nyo yung hair straightener while using, hindi siya magtatangle. And yung finish niya is parang glittery pearl finish. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo sa camera. Pero ayan, white lang yung kinuha namin. I don't know if meron siyang other colors. Here, ito yung LCD screen niya. And i-open natin siya, makita niyo yung temperature dito. Dito and naman, meron siya mga buttons, which has the on and off button in the center, the plus button for increasing the temperature, the minus button to decrease the temperature, and then this one is the lock, which is yung malalock yung temperature nyo. So kunyari you want 120 degrees Celsius lang, and then you lock it para hindi na siya move in case na mapindot yung mga buttons while using the product. This one is para to switch from degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Kasi some people are more comfortable using degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. So, ayun, may choice kayo if you want. So, let's use. Oh, by the way, before we use it pala, they have this
Unlock
feature. The unlock and lock button feature. I don't know kung ano ba tawag dito. Parang pinupull kasi. Pinupull down siya. Like that. So, mag-open siyang ganyan. When it's locked, ganyan lang siya ka-wide. Another thing that I noticed is parang nape-press down siya. Hindi lang siya parang stiff na hard. So, when you press down in the hair, may feel niya talaga na parang it's really sandwiching your hair dun sa flat iron. So, okay, without further ado, let's use this. So, ayan, naka-plug in na siya and let's turn it on. So, once you press this button, hindi. Mali.
Ano ba yan?
So, when you open this one, all you have to do is to long press or hold this button down. So, para safety feature rin siya. Para hindi siya agad-agad mag-on. So, as you can see, may kita nyo yung current temperature, which is 180 degrees. When you press the negative button, mag-decrease yung temperature nyo. So, yan. Ito na yung pinakamababang temperature, which is the 180 degrees Celsius. And, madali siyang uminit. Yan. Umiinit na siya.
Oh.
I am not sure what is the indicator kung pwede na siya gamitin or hindi pa. Pero, parang madali naman siya uminit. So, feel ko, give it a few minutes, a couple minutes, and then pwede na siya gamitin. So, gamitin na natin siya. Ito yung lowest temperature. So, since, baka kasi masunog yung hair niya. Let's try muna sa bangs para kita yung ano. Okay? Ready?
It's really hot.
Mainit? Oh no.
Medyo.
If you have gloves, yung ibang hair straightener kasi, especially if nakuha nyo yun sa mall, meron silang kasamang glove. Pero ayan, just be careful. Let's go one more time kasi medyo hindi ko siya na-press na. Medyo i-curl natin ng konti. Yun.
Tingnan ka, tingnan.
Mamaya mo na tignan yung
Okay.
final.
Okay, finale.
Okay, final. Oh my God. Actually, na-curious din ako kung ano yung itsura ni Yana kapag straight yung hair niya. So, malalaman natin at the end of this video. So, make sure to stay tuned if you are interested or if gusto nyo rin malaman kung anong itsura niya with straight hair. Also, if magko-comment kayo na I should use yung parang products to protect the hair from heat, well, wala ako nun. So, carry na yan. Lowest temperature naman siya. So, ito yung before ng hair ni Yana. As you can see, medyo buhag-hag siya at the top. Kasi ito yung laging parang nagagalaw. Pero sa bottom, ayan, kitang-kita nyo yung curls niya. Ayan. And, mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung after result. And yung final verdict, if approved or I would recommend this product or not. Tapos na. Ito na yung... Wait lang, muna titignan.
Okay, okay.
Ito na yung after. Likod ka muna. Yun yung after. As you can see, hindi siya like super straight na smooth and silky. Pero siguro depende din siya sa temperature. Pero dito, I used the lowest temperature which is 180 degrees Celsius. So, ayan. And makapal din kasi yung hair niya.
Pwede ko na tingnan?
Wait lang. So, before yung final reveal, hindi pa niya nakikita yung hair niya. Like, ever. Ever. And, before anything else, I wanted to talk about yung cord. Di ko kasi napakita ng malapitan sa inyo. Ayan siya. Makapal siya. And yung iba kasi yung parang nakatakot gamitin talaga. And then, this is yung plug niya. So, hindi niya na kailangan ng adapter. So, nung ginagamit ko to kanina, super smooth. Nag-glide siya easily. Meron kasi ako na-try na flat iron dati na kapag ginanon mo sa hair mo, parang ang rough. Like, hindi siya masyadong nag-glide. Pero ito, smooth naman siya. Ang only ano ko lang, parang ayaw is medyo ano siya, mabigat siya compared to other hair straightener. Pero, other than that, this is really, really good. Overall, I would highly recommend this product for you guys na naghahanap ng flat iron or hair straightener. And of course, syempre, hindi na tayo masyadong naglalabas. So, if you are looking for a hair straightener and ayaw nyo pumunta sa mga malls, I would recommend this one. Dati siyang, according dito sa sinend na link ni Mama, since siya ngayon bumili, it is 2,799 pesos. So, 67% off. Pero, alam niyo, yung mga ganito, medyo nagdududa ako kasi like, feeling ko, hindi talaga yun yung price. So, ngayon, it's 934 only. Kindly check the description box. Lalagay ko yung link neto if ever interested kayo. And, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Talagang gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-review since, you know, bago siya and I haven't tried this particular flat iron before. So, ayan. Yeah. Time for the reveal! Excited ka na? Actually, nung nakita ko, kasi nakat yung footage.
Pero pwede ko nang mahawakan.
Sige, hawakan mo muna. So, nakat kasi yung footage. And, hindi ko napansin na nakat pala kasi nga nag-flat iron ako. Pero, ayan. Inayos ko na yung bangs niya. Anong feel mo?
Smooth.
Smooth?
And like flat.
And actually,
in a way, yung lagi ko nahawakan.
Actually, hindi siya nagsuklay nun before nung ano. So, talagang diretso lang with my hand lang kukomb. And after mga ganun, like after makadaan nito, mas madali na siyang maantanggal.
Parang sa commercial ate.
Wow.
Oh, parang ano.
Kita mo?
May ano dito.
May ring light kasi dito, guys. Legit na nakapatong siya sa lens.
Merong ano dito. Ano. Ang smooth dito sa baba.
Pero guys, hindi naman sa ayaw niya ng curly hair. Gusto rin niya ng curly hair. Talagang gusto lang namin makita. Gusto niya rin makita kung anong magiging itsura niya kapag straight hair siya. And, ayan na nga. Sobrang kapal din kasi ng buhok niya talaga. Diba? Ang kapal ng buhok. So, anyway, ayun na nga for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. And sana nasabi ko lahat ng information. Pero other than that, ilalagay ko again yung link sa description box so you can check it out yourself. This is not a sponsored video. So, ayun. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye! Okay, before I end this video pala, I'm so sorry. Lagi ko nakalimutan mag-shoutout. So, shoutout kay Naruto Plays 23. Actually, nag-change siya ng name kasi super tagal na to. And I'm so sorry again kasi lagi ko nga nakakalimutan mag-shoutout. So, siya na ngayon si Andre Plays with Elizer. Hi. Shoutout din kay Gameplay Mobile Legends. Shoutout po kay Ian Santos. And shoutout din kay Carmela_YT. So, ayun. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video.